Okay, so I was walking around and we were about to cross the street. We were going home from our grandma's house and we saw this huge bird sitting on a telephone wire. And then we got a ton of pictures of it and then it flew away and then it's back here again. Like, here, let me get close up. Should be somewhere in the tree.
He's shaking his tail feather at you, see him?
There he is, see it?
See that thing?
Yeah. I'm recording. I'm gonna get a good look. Can't see it, hold on. Oh, it fell. See it?
Did he fall or did he fly down?
He fell. He's down here, you see? See it?
Is he hurt?
There he goes.
Oh, no, he's not hurt. I don't think, is he? Oh, he dove down to get something, I think. Or did he seem like he was hurt?
He's gone.
No,
I don't think he was hurt.
He landed in that tree over there.
Where?
Where'd he go now? I don't see him.
Yeah, I don't see him anymore. I guess he's gone.
He flew over to another tree. Shit. I don't see him. What?
Oh, man. Wait, is that him? Looks like him.
What?
I can't really see it in real life, but I can see it in the video. It's like perching. You see it?
I think so.
I don't know if that's it, though.
You?
Yeah. Oh, well. Guess that's it. I guess he flew off. So, bye.